Hello and welcome to part 7 of my A350 Airbus build. Hello everyone and welcome. As you can see from the thumbnail, I am finished printing the fuselage molds and now I have to prepare the surfaces on them. In this video, I'm going to be working on the surfaces of the vertical stab molds. I will be attaching the nacelle holder to the nacelle itself and laying up a vertical stab. Later in this video, I will explain how to make live hinges and give you some secrets about it. In part 8 of this series, I will show you how to make a live hinge. Let's get started. In this part of the video, I'm going to talk about live hinges. A live hinge is a strip of Kevlar or pill ply sandwiched between two layers of fiberglass or carbon fiber to act as a hinge. I like to use pill ply because it does not tear or get brittle and break. Here's something you might not know. If you use Kevlar, it will get brittle and break, and Kevlar costs a lot more than pill ply. It will take several thousand bends before the Kevlar breaks. More than likely, the plane will have crashed long before that hinge breaks. Here's a secret or a tip. If you're using pill ply for the hinge, buy the pill ply that has lines in it and arrange your pill ply so that the lines in it will be perpendicular to the score you will make on the part. This way you will see the lines in the pill ply when you are scoring the line on the part. If you buy the pill ply without lines, be careful not to score too deep and cut through the pill ply. In part 8 of the series, I will show you how to make a live hinge. Until then, subscribe!